Stay tuned to hear about my product Empties and whether I would repurchase or pass. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my product Empties, and I have a big box. So we are going in no particular order, but I am going to stay by brand, and the first brand up is none other than Camille Rose. So from Camille Rose, and this is from the Black Castor Oil and Shea Bay collection, I have the Deep Conditioner and the Repair Pure Strengthening Oil. Where do I start? This duo is amazing because I did use it as a duo. Let's start with the smell. I absolutely love the way that this line smells. And you can see a little bit of the deep conditioner left in the jar. So happy that they sent me another one because this deep conditioner is bomb. Has amazing slip, leaves your hair moisturized. She's the GOAT. Paired with this oil, and I have low porosity hair, so I sit under my steamer. All of the goodness. So again, this is the Black Castor Oil and Shea Bay line. So this deep conditioner is an intense strengthening treatment, and it is vegan friendly. Amazing ingredients. It says it's an intensive conditioning treatment crafted to strengthen the hair shaft and restore vitality to damaged, stressed strands. And then the oil is called Repair. It is a pure strengthening oil. And this is a pure black castor oil infused with shea bay, crafted to promote growth, drastically improve shine, and strengthen strands from within. So if you haven't tried these two products from Camille Rose, from the Black Castor and Shea Bay line, definitely recommend 10 out of 10. So next up in my product Empties is also from Camille Rose. I have 3 more products. I have the Rejuva Drops Grow Back Oil, the Jansen's Moisture Max Conditioner made with coconut milk and aloe vera. And then last but not least, the Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask made with cocoa and mango butter. Would I recommend these 3 products? Absolutely, 10 out of 10 recommend. These Rejuva Grow Back Drops, I'm on my 2nd bottle, and these are the truth. This Jansen's Moisture Max Conditioner, I slept on this for so long, but I'm so glad that I am woke. Definitely need another jar of this. It is bomb. So I don't think anything is left in this container. Yeah, all of it is gone. Smells amazing, as do all of their products. And then the Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask, another bomb one. Tiny speckle left in there. Absolutely love Camille Rose products. Okay, so next up is from an OG brand of mine, none other than Gemini Naturals. So you haven't seen Gemini Naturals on my channel as of late, but don't worry, stay tuned. New videos coming, and I definitely have plenty of videos that I'll link up above. But in our product Empties today, we have Bronze Beauty, which is one of my favorite colors. 10 out of 10 recommend. Cobalt, which I absolutely love. I don't know which one I love better, Cobalt or Midnight. Let me know in the comment section which one you like the best, whether it's Cobalt or Midnight. Another 10 out of 10 recommend. And then Ocean, which is like a turquoise color. Also love this color. I'll give this one an 8 out of 10. I did mix the two of these together, which made a bomb combination. So Gemini Naturals, this is the vegan temporary hair color gel, not to be confused with the hair color waxes. These are bomb. So check them out if you haven't yet. We'll put my discount code up above and also leave it in the description box, so make sure you check it out to save some coins on your next Gemini Naturals purchase. Next up in the product Empties is from an OG. When I say OG, I mean an OG hair care brand. I was using this, or actually my mom and grandmother was using this on me when I was a little girl. OG, okay? This is none other than, you got it, Lustrous Pink. So we have the Shea Butter and Coconut Oil Smooth and Hold Edge Gel, which this stuff had a strong hold on me. So I have found some other edge controls that I absolutely love as much as this one, but this, 10 out of 10, recommend. Love it. No flaking. It gives you an all-day hold. Absolutely love this. And then we have from the Natural Oil Blends collection, the Lush Growth Oil, which I absolutely love. I did a hair growth challenge with Lustrous Pink earlier this year. I'll link some of that footage up above, but these two, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. And next up in the product Empties is from another Black-owned business. This is True Balance Hair Care. This is the True Balance Edge Control, which is another 10 out of 10 edge control, no flaking, and it definitely gives you a good hold. And then the Tropical Delight Conditioner made with aloe vera and biotin. This stuff works amazing and smells amazing and pairs well with other brands. So the two of these, this brand in general is a 10 out of 10 recommend. Next up in our product Empties is another Black-owned business. This one is from Girl in Hair, and this is the Curl Cloud Gel. Now I know I don't have the deep conditioner or the hair mask as an empty, but if you haven't tried that, definitely want to give it a try. But this gel, I'm gonna link the video up above when I first tried this gel for a wash and go. When I say my curls were popping, it's like my best wash and go. Like, this gel is the GOAT. She's empty. Has like this minty, menthol sort of smell to it. Has no silicones, no parabens, no mineral oils, no animal testing done on it. It's made with pimento oil, neem oil, tea tree oils, and castor oil. Definitely recommend the Curl Cloud Gel and all of the Girl in Hair products. Next up, we have two products from Mielle Organics, and this is from the Rice Water collection, and they are both the exact same product. It is the Hydrating Shampoo. It says excellent for length retention. This is from the Rice Water collection. I absolutely love these shampoos. They have amazing lather. Love the smell. Like, these shampoos are 10 out of 10. I was trying to use up my stash because, you know, our product stash is massive. So we're trying to use what we have open. So I had to use both of these. For some reason, two of them were open and like halfway used. So I had to keep these in the shower and make sure I kept these on rotation so that I can add them to this Empties video. But I wasn't the biggest fan of the Rice Water collection, but these shampoos and the leave-in, the moisturizer, 10 out of 10. Next up in my product Empties is one of my favorite hair care brands. It is none other than Uncle Funky's Daughter. I do have a discount code that I'll link up above and also in the description box so you can save some coins on these amazing products. Today in my Empties, I have sample size or the travel size of Midnight Train Leave-In Conditioner, which I'm on my second travel size bottle. I have been using this on my locks. She's the GOAT. And she smells amazing. 10 out of 10. And then another GOAT. Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. you have not tried this mask, you're missing out. Missing out. Has that minty smell, minty tingle on your scalp. She's bomb. 10 out of 10, highly recommend these. And next up in our product Empties is Let's Jam. And yes, I have 2 of them. I've been doing a lot of protective styles lately, and every time I do protective styles, this is somewhere in the picture, whether it's to help with parting or to lay down my hair. This is definitely my protective style go-to. Love the way it smells, love the way it works on my hair, and they are both very much empty. 10 out of 10 recommend this Let's Jam Extra Hold Shine Gel. If you haven't tried it, definitely recommend it. If you have tried it, let me know what you think about it. Some people are not the biggest fan of it. I'm a huge fan. I keep a bottle or keep a jar on deck. Next up in my product Empties is from a brand that I haven't used in a while. It is the Main Choice. They have come out with the hydration line that I do want to try, but again, because of the size of my product stash, if I don't get it sent to me, probably won't be using it. But this is from the Metabolism line, which right now is probably my favorite line thus far. This is the Rejuvenation Solution Extra Healthy Leave-In Recovery Cream. Smell a 10. Moisture a 10. She's a 10 out of 10. So if you haven't tried this yet, definitely recommend it. Next up in our product Empties is an edge control, which I'm absolutely loving. This is the Edge Fixer Glued Maximum Hold Watermelon. This is the bonus size and it has biotin B7 infused in it. The hold level is a 7. So absolutely love this. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Oh, smells good, and it definitely keeps your edges laid all day. So if you haven't tried this Edge Fixer by Kiss, definitely recommend it. All right, we're winding down this product Empties video. We have 2 more brands to go. This is from another brand that is dear to my heart. It is TGIN. This is the Wild Growth Vitamins, Hair, Skin, and Nail Gummies. Tastes good. Definitely loving these vitamins. I have a second jar that I'm on right now. 10 out of 10 recommend. Let me know if you've tried these gummies before. I absolutely love them. Okay, next up in my product Empties is from Naturalicious. This is the Moroccan Rasul 5-in-1 Clay Treatment. It's a shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, detangler, and leave-in conditioner, all in one product. 10 out of 10, highly recommend this. This is what the product looks like. Absolutely enjoyed this. I'll link a video up above of me using this. This is a gem. And last but not least, for the finale of my product Empties, 6 Empties, 1 brand. And the brand is Mish Beauty. So I've used Mish Beauty about a year ago. I use the Lavish Leave-In Conditioner and the Twisting Cream out of the original line. And then this year, I was turned on to so many more products through their ambassador program. And when I tell you, Mish is the truth, I mean it. When I say I was running through those products, like I couldn't get enough. But let me show you the Empties that I have. So, let's start with Cleansed, which is a moisturizing and cleansing sulfate-free shampoo. I have 1 more and I have about this much left in it, and I'm so sad. So sad. Because this entire brand is a 10 out of 10, highly recommend. But again, the way my stash is set up, I can't repurchase right now because I have way too much. But this cleansed, she's that girl. Next up, from Mish Beauty is the Lavish Leave-In Conditioner. So I've been using this for about close to 2 years, maybe a year and a half now. This leave-in is like slip crazy, moisture crazy. It's made with aloe vera and avocado oil. It's a 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner that moisturizes, detangles, and softens dry hair. It does exactly that. So if you have not tried Lavish, I don't even know what to say. Like, go get her. Go get her. And I don't know if I should be embarrassed or not, but these next 3 are the same product. I'm sure you know what it is. Of course you know what it is. It's my favorite product from the brand. Okay, I'll tell you. It's Indulge. Indulge Deep Conditioner. It's a moisturizing deep conditioner made with raw honey and babasu oil. When I say empty, to the last drop. Like, this is it. There's no more. I thought I was saving one, but I couldn't. I used all 3 of the ones I had. So, Mish Beauty, if you're watching, send me some more Indulge, please, and thank you. Last but not least, in my product Empties from Mish Beauty is another deep conditioner. This is Strengthen, which is also very good. And I do have one more of these, which I'm down to the bottom of, so I'm kind of trying to save it, you know, savor it, savor the moment. But this one is a protein moisture balance deep conditioner. And all of the products smell amazing. Again, the entire Mish Beauty brand is a 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Let me know in the comment section what your favorite product is from Mish Beauty. So that is the end of my product Empties. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you saw some products that you like or don't like. Also, let me know in the comment section if there were some products that you want to try. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.